another one. Another one that I don't know how many of you will use this. Definitely if you're in live. Definitely if you play like Fusion Jazz, you'll be using this. Actually, no. If you play Fusion Jazz, you're not using Bitwig. Well, I shouldn't say that. But anyway, time signature changes. It's pretty sweet, actually, and I love that they've built this in. So very simply, this is what it looks like when you just add a clip. Now there's your time signature thing. If you click a clip, if you don't click a clip, you can't see it. But if you click the clip, then there's the time signature. You can do 3/4, 5/4, whatever you want. Any time signature. If you want it to change, like if you want your song to change time signatures and for everything to stay with it, then you just press L so you can bring up your clip launcher here, and you can start creating clips here like that, right? And then in each clip you can change it. Like let's do 3/4 here, and then I don't know, 5/4. Let's keep it simple here, and then let's just go back to 3/4. So now if I turn on the metronome, which it's on, and I play, let's speed that up a bit. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you switch over to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back to 3. 1, 2, 3. Isn't that pretty amazing? I think I just found something. I think I found an issue with it, but I might just also be an idiot. You know what? Let's open a whole new project. No. New project, okay? Nothing has been done. So if we go to the master and we start changing time signatures, let's do 3/4, and just to keep it short, we'll do 2/4, back to 3/4. Okay, great. Now we play it. Metronome on. 2, 3. Okay, that works. Okay, great. Works out. And now you can see up here, you have 3/4, 2/4, and 3/4. Great. Well, that's super cool. All right, well, let's go back to playing here. What happened? Right? Is it because we're on one scene or another, or? Okay, well, that's fine. Let's just delete these. Back to where we are, and let's record it out. Okay. Okay, so I clearly recorded 3/4, 2/4, 3/4, but look up here. There's goes into the negative. It's probably pre-roll, but then it says 4/4 and then 4/4 again, and that's it. So why did that happen? I wonder. Down here, that's not the case. That's not what I wanted. So I don't know if that's a glitch or if I'm doing something wrong. If you have any ideas, let me know. I'm gonna keep digging around on this, but let's not get negative here. It's still pretty sweet that we can change time signatures. I maybe just don't fully understand it yet. Okay, so don't rage comment if I'm doing something wrong. Let's just let's work through it. Let's figure this thing out. Okay, all right guys, see you in the next one. Ciao.